Hey guys, this is Jared here with Texas Tough Customs. I just got the Adam Brown low gear installed yesterday, and I'm out here at Stony Lonesome doing some testing on it. I am in a Talon X that has been converted to an R in the front. We're running all of our Texas Tough Customs suspension stuff. I'm on 35-inch Rockzillas, and I am running our TTC Hydro steer on this machine. I am driving and filming at the same time, so bear with me. But I just wanted to show you how well this low gear does. I don't have anything else done to this machine other than suspension and tires, and I have a torque locker as well. Forgot to mention that. But what I like so far about this low gear is that even climbing these rocks, you can't tell from the video, but these are pretty good rocks. I'm over here, I'm on Stone Creek at Stony Lonesome. So if you're familiar with that trail, that's where I'm at, just kind of crawling around. This low gear, it's perfect. It pairs perfectly with my 2-seater and 35s. I don't like to bash and kind of ram into shit. I like to crawl and slow and just crawl up it. And as you can see, I'm literally driving with one hand because of the hydro steer. Got the torque locker, and this low gear it's legit. It's legit. I think this is a perfect pair, like I said, a perfect pair on my 2-seater with these 35 Rockzillas. I mean, I can just creep through anything I want. If I need to crawl up a flat face, I mean, I don't have to get in it. I just give it gas and it goes, and it's really perfect on this particular setup that I'm running right now. This is going to be a little bit of a longer video. I'm going to try to video the whole time through the rest of this trail and kind of just talk it through and give you my thoughts. For some of you guys that are doing the big mud tires and stuff, I think this is also going to pair perfectly with the Reduction Boss 25% IGR. I think that's going to be a great solution for you huge tire guys. But if you're into rock crawling and you're running 32s, 35s, I really think this is a perfect setup. Previously, I was running Scott Alvarez Rock Tune, and I absolutely love it. It did exactly what it was supposed to do on these 35s, and it did 95% of everything I needed it to do. It was just in a handful of situations when I needed to climb up something and I was already on a grade or something, I had to give it a little bit more gas than I needed to. This new low gear, that's not an issue at all. I still highly recommend Scott's Tune. You know, if you're not in the budget or in the market for, you know, spending the money on the low gear, Scott's Tune is absolutely a great solution, and it'll definitely allow you to run 35s doing rock crawling stuff like this right here. But this new low gear, it's legit. Adam Brown, I got to spend some time with him yesterday while he was installing it, and he's a great guy. He's a really great guy. And like I said, this low gear, like I said, you can't tell from the video, but I'm on a grade right now, still crawling, driving with one hand hanging out the window. But I just want real proof to show you what this thing can do. Like I said, I'm barely giving it gas. It doesn't have to rev high. I'm not smoking the clutches. I give it gas and it goes. I'm at a more technical part of this trail right here, so it's a little bit harder to film, drive, and talk, but I'm doing my best, so bear with me. Like I said, I don't have any other engine mods or anything done to this machine. I've got a torque locker, 35s, and Adam Brown's low gear, and it's absolutely perfect for this type of ride that I'm doing here. Also, we are running the our Texas Tough Customs Hydro steer, so I am locked in, obviously, and I'm turning effortlessly through all this stuff with the Hydro steer as well. We're running our long travel kit on this particular buggy. I got the long travel kit, and then in the front I've done a little bit extra. I converted, this was an X, I converted it to an R. I'm running R shocks with our R 0-inch front arms, and then in the rear I'm on the Texas Tough Customs 3-inch long travel for the X. Yes, I am taking the easy way out. I'm cutting over here. I am riding by myself. I'm not trying to break anything or fuck anything up here alone, so not trying to be stranded out in the middle of the trail by myself. Not trying to roll over. Just out here doing a legit review on a legit product. You don't have to give it the beans. It's turning these 35s like it's nothing. And in my opinion, this is the perfect pair for 35s. Torque locker, Adam Brown's low gear, 35s, and you have a perfect setup, in my opinion, for this particular type of riding. Mud guys, maybe a different story. I'm not doing mud stuff at the moment, so I don't know, and time will tell. Obviously, we'll do some more installs and stuff and put that on some big builds, and we'll see what it does. But what I can tell you for sure, that this is a perfect setup for 35s on a Talon 2-seater. The 4-seaters, they might be a little bit different because they are a little bit heavier, but regardless, it's still going to be an upgrade from what you're doing now. Another thing that I like about this low gear, as opposed to just a tune, is going downhill. It really restricts and holds you back like an actual low gear and like a Jeep or something like that. And that's something that I didn't get from the tune only, which obviously it's not supposed to do that. But the low gear going downhill, you can definitely feel it keeping your speed low and kind of controlling your descent, which is also a really cool thing. But I'm super excited about this. If you have any questions at all, you can contact me or Adam Brown directly. We're both here to help, and let me know if you need anything.